Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sarvebhyah Namaskaraha. My name is Anirudh Prabhu. I am studying in class 7 of Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir, Bangalore North.
My name is Dhruva. I am studying in 7th standard of SSRVM, Bangalore North.
We are learning Veda Mantra in Sanatana Veda Pathashala, Vidyaranyapura.
Now we are going to recite Durga Sukta.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Om. Jata Vedase Sunavama Soma Marati Yato Nidahati Vedaha Sanah Parshadati Durgani Vishwanaveba Sindhunduritatyagnihi Tamagnivarnan tapasadvalantim vairochanim karma phaleshu jushtaam Durgan devigam sharanamaham prapadye sutarasitarase namaha Agne tvam parayanavyo asman swasti bhirati durgani vishwa Pushya prithvi bahulana urvi bhavato kayatanaya yashayyoho Vishwanino durgaha jata vedas sindhunnanava duritati parshi Agne atrivanmanasa grinano asmakam bodhya vitatanuna Prathanajitagam sahamanamugramagnigam huvema paramachadastaat Sanah parshadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo atiduritatyagnihi Pratnoshi kamidhyo advareshu sanacha hotanavyascha satsi Svancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyancha saubhagamaya jasva Gobherjushtamayujo nishitantave endra vishnoranusancharema Nakasya prishtamabhisamvasano vaishnaviloka ihamadayantam Om Katyayanaya vidmahe Kanyakumari dhimahi Tanno Durgih prachodayat Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi Hari Om Tat Sarvam Shri Jagadanbarpanamastu